Hey guys, what is going on? It's Hamish from Income Stream Surfers. I'm really excited about this video today. Let's just get straight into it. I'm going to be using the search engine operator method to find a text-based long tail keyword, like I talked about in my last video. I'm then going to make the design and give you a quick tutorial on how to make a converting text-based design. And then I'm going to upload it to my Redbubble, which I have not done for a while. So how do we do this? First of all, I'm going to be using the search engine operator method, and I've completely forgotten how to do it. So I can show you how I actually find how to do it. Okay, so I looked at the URL here and it says shop, and this is a search result page, so I want to put in URL shop. And then I want to minus people, and I want to minus blog, I guess. Okay, there we go. This is looking pretty good already. Ace attorney, no, too many results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in title, and I'm going to think of a word that would make sense for text base, such as strength. Nothing there. Let's try power. Okay, wait, this isn't working. In text power. There we go. That's not what we want. Maybe it's space power for in title. It's not. Why can I not remember how to do this? Let's get rid of that. There we go. There we go. Okay. Power to the people. That'll have loads of results. Yep, too many results. Babe with the power. 201 results. Okay, yep, good. Let's use this as an example. So I want it to be a good keyword. So let's go on my favorite tool. You can't see that because it's on a different thing. 1 second. Oh, I have the actual, hang on guys. Okay, let me restart the timer. I had to stop it for a second. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I was logged in on Ahref, so I don't want to use that. I want to use the free version, which is here, and the keyword was, I have no idea, babe with the power. I want at least 1,000, otherwise I'm not going to use it. Babe with the power. Come on, let's first time it. Ready? Traffic lights, verify. Okay, the babe with the power is 600, babe with the power 500. It seems to be a song. Whatever. Babe with the power. It's a song. It is a song. Oh, it's from Labyrinth, David Bowie. Etsy, Redbubble. Nice. Okay. Yep. I'm just going to go with this, guys, because it is only an example. So let me hop onto my non-incognito mode. Okay, there we go. So what I want you to do is I want you to open photopea and file, new, mosquito. I would recommend putting 11,000 by 11,000. I just realized that we can do it differently. So again, make it transparent. Click text. Click here. It's already 3,000, perfect. Babe with the power. Okay, so the reason that you want it to be big is twofold. Number one, so people can see it while they're flicking through their mobile or whatever. And number two is so that it looks good on bigger products. Okay, so they should scale it down automatically on Redbubble. Going to make this a little bit smaller though because it is a bit ridiculously big. So 1,500, let's say. Okay, babe with the power. There we go. Perfect. So what we want to do is we want to click on the text here, and you can just try some out. Basically, you just want something clear that fits the niche. So that would probably look quite good, but I want something even clearer. I kind of like that. Actually, it looks good. I like the text here. a lot actually. Will it look, if I make it completely white, will it look weird? Oh, actually no, this has two different colors on it, so we don't want that one. Just look for something clear, guys, something that fits the niche, kind of. Yeah, I can't really advise you on this. This is up to you guys, really. Just find something that kind of makes sense, I guess. I would use a different font depending on the niche. So this niche is kind of like a fantasy thing because it's from Labyrinth, which is a film. I don't like any of these. Okay, this looks promising. This kind of makes sense, I guess, because it's like Babe with the Power could also be like, you know, like Boss Babe or whatever it might be. That mosquito is really getting to me, but I'm in the middle of a challenge, Mr. Mosquito, if you could stop. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to make them all a little bit bigger. And then I'm actually going to make the text white, and you will see why in a moment. But as you can see, this is very, very clear, okay? If you are good with Photoshop, you can add other things, other details, like small images, or put the text inside an image, but this is just going to be a very simple tutorial, okay? So I prefer white on black. So we're going to make it white, okay? And then I want you to just download it, basically. So export as, you want to be using, oh my god, PNG is transparent, no, JPEG is transparent. No, it's the other way around, isn't it? Oh, I always forget this. JPEG or PNG for transparent. It's PNG, right? No, it's JPEG, it's JPEG. Oh, it's PNG, damn, every time. Oh, no way. Export as PNG, and then you want to save it as the keyword, and then when you upload it to Redbubble, it will already be the keyword. Sorry that my computer's a bit slow, I don't know what the problem is, it should not be being this slow. Redbubble. Okay, so we've made it white, it's big, it's bold, etc, etc. So let's go on add new work. I've sold designs with this exact method, okay, just so you know, so I would highly recommend it. Yeah, as you can see, I've got 11 sales. I haven't really been making sales recently, but there you go. So just drag and drop, and then what you want to do once it's uploaded. Come on. My computer is not happy with me today. We're only 10 minutes in, guys, and we've already done, you know, almost all of it. You want to select background color as black, like that. And this should change generally, okay? You will have to, it's worth it to put it on a big picture, trust me, guys. So Babe with Power, I might actually just leave it as Babe with Power. And then tags, what you want to do is you want to go site redbubble.com in text, and then just copy the keyword. They're all gonna be here, aren't they? Power of the Babe, so we'll stick that in. Power of the Babe. The other thing you can do is go back to Ahrefs. You can't see this because it's on a different screen, but I'm just literally on the Ahrefs. In fact, let me just change it just so that you know you can see what I'm doing. This one? No. Mamma. No. This should be it. Is this it? No. Keyword generator. Come on, Hamish. There we go. Okay, so you can get them from here if you want. You can just copy these. But yeah, I'm just going to look through here, and I'll be back in like 2 minutes. In fact, I'll show you everything that I do. I don't like swapping between them. So let's copy, I don't know, this, and then go back to here. and just paste them in. No, I can't do that. I'm going to go on a notepad, guys. I'm going to delete the information that I don't need, and I'm just going to put commas between it. You should put more care and attention into this than what I am doing, okay? I'm just doing it quickly because I'm on the clock and because I'm just giving you an example, basically. There is an easier way to do this, someone told me, but I still use Notepad and I still put commas between each one because that's just the way I've always done it. There we go, there's some keywords. Like I say, guys, do a lot more effort than this for your uploads, okay? For some reason it never does this with black, but look, this is what it will look like on mobile, okay? So as you can see, it's really, really clear, and you can just directly see the text, which is perfect, okay? That's exactly what we want. So when someone is scrolling through, what do they see? They see this huge image, okay? And you just want to make sure that it looks good on every product, because you never know which product someone will see, okay? That's the way Redbubble works. So you have to make sure that it looks good on all the products, okay? You can change the formatting to be left, center, or right. A lot of people go with left, a lot of people go with right. It's personal preference, honestly. I don't think many people use center, but again, it depends on the keyword. I've got that mosquito, nice. Okay, let's speed this up a bit. This should be the easy part. There are automatic tools that do this for you. I do not use Redbubble enough anymore to justify using or paying for them, but if you upload 5 designs a day, it might be worth it. Okay, another thing you can do, guys, is you can upload a black version for the sticker, like this. I'm not going to do that. I'm just hurrying to get this done, basically. But as you can see, it's really, I want to show you the results at the end, okay? But just make sure it looks good on every product. Some products do not have black. Make sure it looks good on everything, basically, is the point here. I'll skip through this bit, guys. You know what to do here. Okay, so as you can see on the scarves and on the bath curtain, normally it looks really, really small, right? But because we put 1,100, it's actually huge, so it looks good. It doesn't look terrible. I'm just gonna make that a little bit smaller so it fits. Guys, spend time on this, okay? Don't just chuck them up and hope for the best, okay? Spend some time on making sure they look good. The way that Redbubble SEO actually works is by spamming, basically. So you have no idea what product people will see. So be particularly careful with phone stuff because they have a weird like center. It doesn't work properly. They should have a better system, honestly, Redbubble, but they don't, so we have to deal with what we've got. Okay, so also with tote bags and water bottles, you're going to want to put a black version if you have followed my guide exactly as I'm doing it here. Again, I'm not going to, just because I just don't have time right now. And I really, really want to share this with you guys because what I'm doing now it's completely free, right? All I'm losing is potentially 15 minutes of my time. Okay, by the time I've finished, I think it'll be about 20 minutes. But I mean, I'm not even doing this particularly quickly. Aprons, really important, guys. People love buying aprons for each other. Okay, and then these, you can decide to do these yourselves if you really want to. Another good way to do it is to choose a pattern. So if I choose, hang on, let me zoom out a bit, see if that works. No. Okay, this has been a problem for months now. Like, Redbubble needs to fix this. You can't click choose pattern. Like, oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. So you can make like a kind of fashion-y thing for these products if you want. That's a pretty good tip, I think, if the product doesn't fit well. Okay, so babe with the power. Perfect. Whatever. Let's just disable these products. Okay, this is photography. No, it's design and drawing, and I don't want to put it in any. And it's not mature. And yes, I have the rights. Okay, final thing, remember description, so babe with the power design, black and white, perfect. Gift for fans of Labyrinth. Yeah, it's not how you spell Labyrinth, is it? It's with a Y, I'm pretty sure. How do you spell Labyrinth? Labyrinth. I know I'm English, guys. My spelling is... I'm forgetting how to speak English. Labyrinth. Labyrinth. This is why I recommend you copy and paste as well, guys, because otherwise you might make mistakes. So let's just do exactly what I just said and copy and paste. There we go. Perfect. Write a little bit more description, write some more tags. Title, it should just be the keyword, and then optimize for every product, and then just press save. How much time did I lose? Less than 20 minutes, guys. Like, insane. And it could sell. It's number 7 on Google, so I'm not holding my breath. But the thing I want to show you is, once it's finished, what happens if I minimize this? Okay, it just does it like that. Okay, forget it. If you scroll through, just look how clear the text is. You can see what it says, okay? And this is really, really important for a text-based design. You need to be able to read the product from the search page, okay? So yeah, I really hope that you get some use out of this. It took me under 20 minutes to make this design. I used photopea, and it was completely free. All I lost was 20 minutes of my life, which, you know, that's life. You lose time. So if I made 10 sales and made $50, it would be, $150 an hour if you just repeat this process a million times. Then, you know, all groovy. Well, hope that helps, guys. That is a free way to make text-based designs, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.